Comparing numbers. When we comparing two numbers, the number that shown more quantity is the greater or a bigger number. When we are comparing, it's showing which one is more and which one is less, greater or lesser. I have 7 pencil. He is telling I have 7 pencil, and she is telling I have 4 pencil. Here Manjit has 6 pencil while Fabina has 4 pencil. Clearly Manjit has more number of pencil than Fabina. Clearly it is a 6 is a more. So therefore 6 is a greater than 4. Also 4 is smaller than 6. Using the number strip to compare the numbers. Let us use the number strip to see which number is greater and which number is smaller. When two numbers are compared on the number strip, the number further from 0 is greater than the another number. Compare the number 11 and 19. See, 0 to 11 and 0 to 19. 11 is nearly to the 0. Yes, no? 11 is near to 0 and 11 is near to 0 and 19 is further from that 0. So it is a far. So 19 is a greater than 11 and we are calling 11 is smaller than 19. My practice time 5. Here it is what? Color the greater number. We have to color. See 5 and 10. See here is the number strip 5 and 10. Which is the nearest to 0? That is 5 is nearest. So it is the smallest and then 10 is the biggest. Bigger number. 10 is bigger number. So we are coloring this one. 7 and 3. 3 is the nearest to 0. That is the smallest and 7 is a 4. So it is a greater. 17 and 3. 3 is the nearest, it is the smallest and 17 is the biggest. So 17 is a greater. 19 and 20. 19 and 20. 20 is the bigger, so you have to color. 11 and 10. 11 is the biggest, so here you have to color here this one. You have to color this one. Okay. 13 and 4. 13 is a bigger, 4 is a smaller, so 13 you have to color. Color the smaller number. Which is smaller? You have to color. 9, 10. So 9 is a smaller. So we are coloring. And 11 and 16. See here. Here 11 and 16. Nearest 0 means that is the smallest. And 16 is big. 4. So you have to color 11. Now 13 and 17. 13 is the smallest to 0, that nearest to 0. So 13 you have to color this one. 18 and 20. 18 is the smallest. We are coloring here. And 5 and 1. 1 is a small. So you have to color this one 1. Then F1 6 and 12. 6 and 12. 6 is a smaller. This one you have to write on in your rough book. Here textbook and fair book also. Ordering of a number. What is the ordering of number? Smallest to biggest. These fruits are arranged from the smallest to biggest in the size. Strawberry, small and little bit big. Apple and little bit pumpkin and this is the biggest watermelon. We can also arrange the number from the smallest to biggest. Consider the number 15, 10, 9 and 19. These are the number we are writing smallest to biggest. So 9 is smaller, smallest to what of all? 9 is first small and afterward little bit bigger than 9, that is a 10. Bigger than 10 is what? 15 and biggest is biggest to of all means that is a 19. Let us know using the number strip to compare the number and arrange them from the smallest to biggest. Consider the number 19, 20, 15 and 7. So here it is a number strip. So 7, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 it is coming. Which number is first comes? 7. Afterwards 15. Yes, no? Afterwards this one is 7 first and 15. Next is coming 7, 15 afterwards 19, 19 afterwards last, that is the biggest number, 20. So 7, 15, 19 and 20. What this one? This is the smallest to biggest. Now we are moving biggest to smallest. These are vegetable are arranged from the biggest to smallest in the size. So what this one? This is a size. We are arranging biggest to smallest. Cabbage, potato, beetroot and lady finger. So this is a bigger, little smaller this one and little smaller beetroot and afterwards lady's finger. We can also arrange the number from the biggest to smallest numbers. We can arrange the numbers. Here it is a vegetable, here it is a numbers. Consider the numbers 7, 10, 11, 4. So which is the biggest? Here 1, 1. 1, 1 is, that is 11. 11 after little bit smaller, 10. Biggest of all 11, smaller than, that is 11, smaller than 10 and that is what? Smaller than 10 what? 7 and smallest of all 4. Okay, so 11, 10, 7, 4. Now we are moving on. Let us now use the number strip to compare the number and arrange them from the biggest to smallest. Consider the numbers 6, 7, 19 and 13. We have to arrange what? Smallest to biggest? No, biggest to smallest. So see this one, first one is what coming? Last we have to see this one. 19 is biggest. Afterwards 19 afterwards 13. 13 afterwards 7 and 6. So 19, 13, 7, 6. This is what? Biggest to smallest. My fun time. Count the number of letters in the names of your friends and family members. Those names has most numbers of letters. Also write the numbers name of each. You have to count the numbers, that is the name letters. So Pinky means P-I-N-K. Pinky is a 4 letters. So like this your family members or friends count the letters and arranging the ascending and descending order. That is the smallest to biggest, biggest to smallest. My practice time 6. Arrange the number from smallest to biggest. Here it is a 10, 5, 15, 8. See smallest to biggest. Which is the biggest, smallest? 5. Afterwards 8. Afterwards 10 and 15. 4, 3, 6, 1. Which is smallest? 1 is smallest. Little bit 3, little bit 4 and little bit 6. Then C1, 20, 15, 19, 18. Which is the smallest? 15 and 18, 19, 20. D1, 11, 5, 8, 13. 5 is a smaller, little bit bigger 8, little bit bigger, that is 11, little bit 13. E1, 13, 18, 13, 8, 17, 18. Smallest 3, little bit bigger 13, little bit bigger 17, little bit bigger 18. So smallest to biggest. F1, 3, 14, 12, 7. 3 is the smallest, 7 little bit bigger and 12 it is little bit bigger and last one biggest 14. What this one? This is the smallest to big. Second one, arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Now we have to write on biggest to smallest, bigger to smaller. A1, 11, 13, 18, 12. So which one is biggest? See the 1 tens place 1 1 1 is there and 1's place 1 3 8 2. Which is biggest? 8 is biggest, so it is a 18. Afterwards 3, that is a 13, 1 3, 1 2 12 and 11. B1, 10, 7, 3, 9. So 10 is a bigger and 9 is a little small, 7 is little small and then 3 is smallest. C1, 20, 10, 16, 11. So here it is a 20 biggest, 16, afterwards 11 and 10. D1, 5, 18, 3, 14. Which one is biggest? 18 biggest, afterwards little bit smaller 14, and afterwards 5 is smaller, and smaller is 3. Even 5, 4, 10 and 15. 15 is the biggest and little bit smaller 10 and little bit 5 and 4. F1, 9, 13, 15 and 1. 15 is the biggest and little bit bigger, little bit smaller 13 and little bit smaller 9, and 9 is smaller. What this one? This is the biggest to smallest. I learned. What you learned? Numbers up to 20. Representing the number on abacus. We are representing this. We learned no abacus. And comparing the numbers. Example, 13 is bigger than 11. Order of numbers, biggest to smallest and smallest to biggest. 20, 16, 15, 10 for this example, and smallest to biggest 7, 11, 13 and 15 is smallest to biggest. Order. What is the order? Order means arrange the something. A1, complete the number trial on Bolu's path. Here it is a number. Bolu is there. Here he has to reach the cave. So we are using the numbers, and here it is what? Missing the numbers. 1 is there, and you have to fill this one number 2, afterwards 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again it is a missing number is there. 8 afterwards 9, 9 afterwards 10, 10 afterwards 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Afterwards Bolu reached his cave. That is a 20. Write the numbers name of the following. We have to write the numbers. What this one number? 3. THREE 3. 12. TWELVE 12. 18. EIGHT EEN 18. 20. TWENTY 20. B1, this is a wish tree. Color any two numbers, blue and green. Here it is a wish tree is there. You have to color your choice. Okay, I have colored this one 1, 14, 20 and 11 blue color, and remaining color, that is a green color. Numbers in the blue, whichever you want you have to write on. I took this one 1 and 17. Here green color 15 and 2. Now amongst the number you wrote above, tick, write bigger number and cross out the smaller number. Here it is a bigger 17, so I tick this one, and 1 is small, so I cross this one. In green 15 is a bigger, so I tick this one right, and 2 is cross. Then guess my number name. Guess my number name. I am a 2 digit. I am a 2 digit. I am bigger than 11. I am a bigger than 11. But smaller than 15. So 11 afterwards 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If 1 is added to me, I become a 15. Who I am? So 14. I am a 14. How? 14 plus 1, that is a 15. D. Circle the numbers that are greater than 15. In red and the number smaller than 13 in green color. Which is the 15 greater than? You have to color red. See this one. First we have to solve this one red color. So 15 after 16, that is a bigger. So you have to color the red color. 18, 15. See greater than 15. So you are coloring red color. And 19 also bigger. 13 no. 18 no. 10 no. 11 no. It is not greater than 15. 12 no. 17 yes. 15 afterwards the greater number is 15, 16, 17. And 20 yes. You have to color this one red color. And 9 no. Now they are telling the numbers smaller than 13 in green color. So 13 green color, 18 smaller green color, you have to put green color. 10 also you have to color the green color only, which is a smaller. 10, 11, 12 and 9. Okay, bye.